How to fix Cash App unable to sign in problem. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll simply show you how you can fix if you're not being able to sign in on Cash App. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you're trying to log into your account and it says that there was a problem or just unable to attempt the login process. This could be happening due to a couple of reasons. So if it says unable to log in on this device, sometimes the problem could also be with your device. So sometimes what happens is that maybe your Android phone is actually rooted, and if you're trying on iOS, maybe your iOS version is actually jailbreak. So you want to make sure that your device is not rooted. The other thing you have to check is your Google Play Store certification status. So you want to make sure that your Google Play Store is actually officially registered. To do that, just tap on the profile icon and then go to settings, go to your about, and then here scroll down, you'll find Play Protect certification. You want to make sure that your device is actually certified. So if your device is not certified, it is not officially supported by Google Apps, and as a result will not be able to use some of the payment applications. And again, as I said, the root factor also plays an important role. The other thing could be happening because of your login credentials, right? So if it's happening with your login credentials, then you might try to log in with a different phone number when you're trying to sign into Cash App. So if you have an alternative phone number, try to change the number and then try to log in and see if that solution solves your problem. If it doesn't, then what you can actually also try to do is make sure that the Cash App is updated to the latest version, because sometimes updating will also most likely fix most of the issues that you actually have on your Cash App. So hope this video helped you solve your problem. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.